In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a cool conditional formatting trick that you can use to have banded columns in Microsoft Excel like this right here without having a table. So to do this, you are going to first highlight the range that you want to have the conditional formatting apply to. I'm going to go down to BO and then bring it down to a couple thousand rows like so. Okay, now we're going to go to Home. Now we're going to go to conditional formatting. And then from here, we're going to go to New Rule. From here, we're going to use a formula to determine which cells to format. And we want to format every other row, right? So we can do that by using a combination of the mod and the column function. And to show what I mean, we can do equals mod column, open close parentheses, 2 equals 0. And then now we can pick whatever formatting that we want. So just say we want a green formatting with a little bit of a border on the left and the right side. Click OK, click OK, and as you can see, now we have some conditional formatting with our columns. And this is great too, because it's formula based, we can, for example, delete rows and the conditional formatting is still there. And we can add rows and the conditional formatting automatically applies. And yeah, as you can see, it's dynamic. Now for the bit of background for why this works. So the column function will just return a number that corresponds to the column later in, right? So the column that I'm in right now is the second column. You're gonna get third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, so on and so forth. And the mod function returns whatever the range is given with a given divisor, right? So I just say mod of this number divided by 2 is 0. And then 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, right? So, as you can see, 2 divided by 2 is 0, 3 divided by 2 gives you a remainder of 1, 4 divided by 2 gives you a remainder of 0, 5 divided by 2 gives a remainder of 1, and so on and so forth. And here, every other column gives us a column that is color-coded the way they want to. Especially helpful too, though, because we can even have more flexibility, right? So instead of every other column, we can go through, hide this range again, and let's just say I have it every third column, for example, right? So highlight this range again, like so, and go to conditional home, conditional formatting, manage rules, and let's just say we want this every column, like 3 rows, for example. Got to be a bit careful when you're typing stuff in the conditional formatting formula because it's a little picky sometimes. Every 3 rows instead. Okay? Okay, and now you can see it's every third row. Our formatting is applied. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a fantastic day.